Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to represent our data in chart. For this, first we need to select the data, then go to insert. Now here you can select your chart. So here this one is the recommendation chart. It will recommend you based on the data. Like if you have the more data, so it will give you which chart will be suitable for your data. So you can select from here also. Then okay, so it will come. If you don't like this one, select it and delete. Then you can select here, like you can select pie chart or liner area chart or this one. If you have the more data, then pie chart will not look good because it's not visible to see the data. So it's best. So we will delete this one. It's better to use this one. Here it will be more clear. Then you can resize it. Then again, you can modify from here also. See, it is giving the value. So you can choose from here also. If you don't want any data from here, if you want everything is okay, but you don't want this one, then what you can do, go to filter, then this one is December 19. Select this one and apply. So it will not show in the chart. This way you can insert the chart. Then you can click it and you can drag it there. Okay. Now there is one more option, pivot chart. For that, first select the data, go to insert and click pivot chart. Then the data you have selected, that's why it's showing the table range. Now you can click the new sheet or existing sheet. I will choose a new sheet and it will come the new sheet. Now here you can drag the field, you can customize here what are the field you want to show in the pivot table or in the chart. ID I will make in the filter, and the description and the quantity of the record I will keep here, and I will calculate total for quantity in record. Now what are the data you are going to select here, it will that one only show in the pivot table, and same it will show in the chart also. Again here you can customize to field like that. So in this way you can use it. That's only for this video. See you in the next video.